How to examine or optimize a database in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged in to your DirectAdmin account. Now click this MySQL Management icon. In this MySQL Management interface, you can create new databases and manage existing ones. Here it shows the existing databases. Check the box and select the database you wish to examine. Now you can select as many databases as you wish to examine at a time. Now click Check. It displays a report of check operation. Similarly, you can select the database and optimize it. It shows a report on optimizing database operation. Now you know how to examine or optimize databases. Thank you for watching.